Given the standard normal, we want to find the probability that z is less than minus 0.9. Once again, drawing a sketch helps us understand what we're trying to find. So we draw a normal curve. And remember, this is the standard normal with a mean of 0 and a variance of 1. We want z is less than minus 0.9. Minus 0.9 is around here, and less than means we want the area to the left. Now we reach the point where we need to discuss the different types of tables that may be available. Some boards may have two-sided tables. These tables will have z values from minus values through to plus values. And if you have this type of table, you just simply will look up the tables and find phi of minus 0.9. You can then give your answer, and you don't need to continue with this example. On the other hand, if you only have one-sided tables, you need to continue to watch this example. You'll recognize one-sided tables because the first z value is 0. You'll find that phi of 0 is 0.5. You only then have values from 0 upwards, so only positive z's. If you have this type of table, then you'll need to use the symmetry of the normal curve in order to find the answer. Since the normal is symmetric, it follows the area that we want will be the same as the equivalent area on the other side. So if we draw a standard normal, 0.9 is the symmetric point to minus 0.9. This should be clear to you. This area here is the same as this area here. The area this way would be the phi value. So this area would be phi of 0.9, and since the whole area is 1, the area that we want would be 1 take away phi of 0.9. Just think about this again. The whole area under the normal curve is 1. That's the area all the way from minus infinity to infinity. The tables give us the phi value, which is to the left of any value. So the table's phi of 0.9 gives us the area to the left of 0.9. We want the area to the right, so we do 1, which is the total area, take away phi of 0.9. So here this gives us 1 minus 0.8159, and once again you should check you can find that value from your tables, and this calculates to give us 0.1841.